just caught a massive, massive trout. What a beauty. We're doing an ambush. I spotted a couple of nice trout in the pool just down in front of us. Every now and then they swim up into this real shallow stuff and they're digging in the sand for, I guess, nymphs or worms or something. There's a whole heap of scrub right behind me and I don't want to stand up to cast, so when they come right down in front, I'm going to pop a little bow and arrow cast out there. There's a little bit of wind which is making it quite hard, so I have to aim into the wind. If I do hook up, it's going to be a lot of pressure on these fish. I have to keep them high in the water, otherwise if they get into those logs down there, she's going to be all over. Two nice fish just out over there. Got him! Yep. Hang on, mate, hang on. Hang on, hang on. Okay, here you go. Grab the net. Put the net in the water, I'll bring you the fish. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Quick, Gigi, run down there and net him, quick. Hang on, hang on. Lift it up. Good work. Hey, mate. Shake my hand. Good work fishing, buddy. How cool was that?
Real cool.
Man, we tried real hard to catch fish today and we were having some pretty bad luck, eh?
It was a real good fish.
He's a beauty. Shall we take a photo of him and then put him back? Real gentle. Wind, 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 wind. Fast, 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 wind, wind, wind. Yeah. Just walk backwards real slow. That's it. Hold the rod up nice and high. Walk backwards real slow. Oh. Wind. Good boy, looking real good. Wind, wind, wind. It's got a tangle in it, Benji. You've put the line around the back of the rod. Hang on, mate, I'll sort you out and you can catch him. Alright, grab this. 2 hands, rod height. That's it, good boy. Rod high, pick up the reel, rod high. Right, slowly walk back. Come here, mate. Fist pump. You just caught a big fish. You just caught a big fish. You just caught a massive, massive trout. What a beauty. Let him go. Say thanks, man.
Thank you.
Hey, swimming up. Whew, what a bloody day. Just picked up 2 awesome fish. They're feeding out of a backwater. 2 fish feeding in the backwater over there. Picked up the first one on a stimulator with a pheasant tail dropper, and then the next guy, who's sitting just down here chilling out in the rapid, picked him up on just a rubber leg pheasant tail used like a streamer again. Same trick that I used the other day in the shallows. Works pretty bloody well. Awesome day. The young fella's trying to warm up down there in the sunshine. He's cold and wet and tired and hungry, much like how I spent most of my early working career. But bloody good, good fish, good spot, awesome. Cheers, see you later.